Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this basic image for a long time ago. This is my subject today. Continue from yesterday. Well, painted colorized yesterday, so now I want to make something interesting image from this image. Well, pretty interesting image, isn't it? Somebody's good sound is somebody's noise. Well, vice versa. That's interesting concept. Well, actually, that was not first concept, anyways. But I found this shot for many shooting, many cut, many films, and I found this pretty interesting expressions, isn't it? Well, I have these layers here, so I want to combine together to get one image now. Okay, colorize base image. I'm gonna just leave this background. This is for models background. This one's too. Then I wanna, well, this is shirt yellow color, and let's see, this one is models color, and this is black and white. Okay, I'm gonna combine these three layers. Now make group, then flatten this image. So I got this before and after. Okay. Then I get pencil drawing type image, and also background colors. Oops. Oh, okay. I'm gonna move this base image over that original image. Now we got the background. Yep. Okay. Now let's get started from here. Okay. Let me see this pencil drawing type image, then change blend mode, normal to, let's see, color burn, gets darker, interesting. What else? Overlay, pretty interesting too. Now what's next? Luminosity, well, pretty nice saddle colors, that's cool. Well, since I have this original image here, I'm gonna rename all the names. Okay, I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image under this background image. So we're gonna have this background colors too. Nicely, almost same kind of illustration type pastel colors, huh? And then maybe darken this model's pastel color. I'm gonna move this original image over the colorized image, then maybe change blend mode to color burn. No, over pencil drawing type image. Now gets darker, huh? Well, yeah, color burn goes pretty much dark image, huh? And I want this background for her to be a little bit more darker, so I'm going to duplicate this layer. Now goes darker, maybe change blend mode to linear burn, then tone down just to about 70. Yeah, goes a little bit stronger than this noise, huh? Maybe about 50. Maybe that's balanced well. This and this. Yeah, not too strong with each other, right? Okay, now this is original image. Then this is pencil drawing type image. Wow. Color burn on original image over colorized image, huh? This is kind of interesting too. especially his expression. That's pretty strong image, huh? Well, in this case though, maybe I can mask this pencil drawing type image to get this kind of dark image. That's pretty interesting. Let me try this. Okay, make mask. Then let's see with the not soft brush, huh? I want something strong texture. Drawing to evolve. Let me see. Then I want to make maybe softer image on her face. So I want to choose brush is airbrushing to soft brush this time. Let's see about her expression. Nice and soft. That's interesting. Yeah. Okay, now I wanna clean up some. What's this dark lines come from? That's from maybe this pencil drawing type image, huh? Okay, in this case, let me see if I mask this. I guess. Okay, in this case. Oops. This is only from pencil drawing type image, but we have this original too. Well, in this case, I'm gonna go. Well, okay, I'm gonna add layer over this, then filling with white. Fill layer with white and make mask. Invert. Just hide dark lines. Maybe a little bit lighten up his face. Just tone down. Yeah. Okay. How's this? Mirror image. Yeah, I think that's it. Pretty interesting. Well, that's it for today, and pretty interesting and pretty quick. I just made mask using the background. That's it, and double this colors. Yep, that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work and kind of interesting image. Well, thank you again, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Very interesting, huh? Yep.